Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of our 2025 raw hunt, hunting Sika in the Kaimanawas. We're carrying on from the afternoon of day 3, so I hope you enjoy it. Well, after our meat run, we made it back to camp, had some lunch. I forgot to film all of that because me and Josh started yarning and I just forgot to film. But anyways, me and Maia are out for an evening hunt now. So yeah, we're just gonna sneak down this ridge and do some roaring and see what happens. Bit of a change of plan. The weather's turning to custard basically on Sunday, so that only really gives us a full day tomorrow and then Saturday morning, and then we sort of want to be out by Saturday night. So yeah, quite good we did that meat run, so we're back to square one. So once again, pretty much anything's in danger, apart from young stags. I'll try not to shoot a young stag, but yeah, a hind or a decent stag will be definitely on the menu. But yeah, see how we go, eh? Well, eventful little evening hunt. What do we have? Spook 2, both of which, if I had just gone where Maia wanted to go, I probably would have seen them, but it's all good. I sort of tried to stick to my plan, but yeah, and heard one roaring too, which was quite good. It was only he hawing and didn't reply to my roars, so Oh, he replied to one kind of actually, but he wasn't like replying full on, so probably just leave him. I think tomorrow I'm going to go for another hunt down that ridge that we were on the first day, because I'd never made it to those big wallows, so cool to get there and have a look. Yeah, so that'll be the plan for the morning. See you guys then. Deer everywhere, eh, pup? Morning team. Bit of a change of plan with this bad weather coming, so instead of going to the hut, we've just stayed here another night, last night, and we're just going to go for another big hunt today, and then we'll be getting out tomorrow. So yeah, me and Josh are going to like hunt down this ridge together and then split off when we get to the end. So yeah, be interesting to see how we go. There's definitely a deer on that side. Oh well, me and Josh have gone our separate ways. Josh is down that side chasing a stag that's actually hee-hawing quite a bit, so hopefully he can get that one. Me and Pup went down a little spur, mainly just to get some water, but nothing came of that, so I think the plan is we're gonna go down past where we shot that stag on the first day, and I can hear a deer squealing at us. anyways, yeah, I think me and Maia are gonna hunt our way past where we shot that stag on the first day, and then find that wallow and try and sit there for like a good amount of time and just roaring and play the patience game and see if that works out for us. But yeah, we'll see how we go. It's a pretty awesome spot to be hunting. It's like quite like prehistoric with all the moss and big old trees and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Would just be better if there was 5 single calling stags. I just got a reply straight away, but it's over where Josh is planning to hunt, so I said I wasn't going to go over there, so I won't. That's always the way though, eh? Hopefully he comes over. Holy, that was probably the coolest stalk I've ever done with Maia. That was like perfect. I'm sort of gutted I didn't really record much of it with the GoPro because I've only got like 30 minutes on the card left. So I'm sort of saving it for like when I see a deer or hear one roaring or something. So I got footage of that one spooking, I'm pretty sure, but that was like the best stalk we've done. That was like, she started indicating from way up the top, like along the main ridge, and like my plan today was to not go down any ridges. I wanted to get to that wallow, but she just did a perfect like indication. I was like, oh, that's a deer. And then we just snuck down like super quiet, and she was just like winding like hard out the whole time and like tracking away and then coming back and like winding, and I just knew that there was a deer straight down this ridge, like into the wind, downwind, and she just like snuck down like perfect, and I just every now and then I'd just do a little and she'd sit and I'd catch up and we'd look, and literally like sneaking down like perfect, and then she's actually like locked up like pointing in the wind, and I like looked down her back, and then through the trees I just saw like a little bit of brown, and like as I put the gun up, as my crosshair like hit it, it actually moved, and then that deer barked. So like that was the deer. I would never have been able to shoot it because I could only see like a little, I think it was actually its head, because I think it was his ear that flicked, because it literally like I just looked straight down Maia's back, put the gun up, the crosshair just hit the brown thing right as it flicked, and then it straight away barked, and then it like kept barking, and yeah, it hung around for a little bit, but that's gone now. But oh, I don't even care that we didn't shoot it, eh? That was just absolutely perfect. Come here, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl. And that was like, oh, I don't even know how far it was that she took me down. It would have been easy 500 meters, like easily. Like, and I was thinking the whole time, like, I'm gonna follow this until we can't anymore, like until we either find the deer or hit the river, because like quite often like she indicates like really well, and you follow it for as long as you sort of want to, I guess, and then if it gets a bit rough you go nah, and you turn away, and you never actually know if there was a deer there. And like for her to execute a stalk like that and get me from bloody 800 meters away probably to within 30, that's pretty cool, man. Like, it just shows like how much of an asset these dogs actually are. Like when there's no roaring, you just wander around aimlessly pretty much, and like, you know, she just took me straight to one, like just this tiny bit more luck and we would have nailed that one. So man, stoked as. So now we've got to go way back up the top just to carry along the ridge and get to our wallow. But yeah, next time I'm going to bring more SD cards so that I can like video that, because that would have been so cool to video that whole stalk. But I was just, it's hard to know too, because like, you know, we were hunting probably like half an hour sneaking down there, so like obviously if I'd recorded a lot of that, it would have been the whole card gone. So yeah, but anyway, we'll carry on back up the top and do it again hopefully. I'm sort of trying not to do it because my feet are quite sore. I've got blisters, so I'm trying not to go up and down and sidling too much because it hurts my feet. But anyways, go up the hill and shoot a deer. Sit! Sit! Ah, well, that was a bit of a bugger. But again, another perfect find by Maia. We're just sneaking along this ridge, and she's been tracking a ground scent like real well, and then all of a sudden she just like picked her nose up and like winded down the side. So I just like followed her, and we only went about like 50 meters, and then a deer just barked at us, and right as it barked I just saw like a flash of brown as it just disappeared through the pepperwood. But yeah, if I'd been looking hard enough, probably would have seen it and probably would have been able to shoot it. But yeah, there's no chance with that. It just was like bark and gone. So yeah, well, still stoked that Maia, took me into it. We got within like 30 meters, so that's pretty cool. And then Maia did that naughty sort of run thing that she sometimes does. Like, it's only when she can see the deer with her eyes, and then when it runs, she sort of runs forward just to try and keep it in sight, kind of thing. But at least she, I gave her a loud sit command, and she pulled up. So yeah, just have to try to keep on top of that, but still awesome to see them. Well, we've just had some lunch. Pretty uneventful really. We heard one hee-haw down here, and Maia's been like winding down there the whole time, wanting to go down there, so I'm sure there's a deer down there, but it looks just horrible, so I'm not going to bother. But yeah, on the way down, we spooked that one off the top. Once again, Maia just did a perfect indication and a stalk on that one. Yeah, just stoked as with how she's going on this trip. So yeah, just had some lunch. So now we're ready to go. I think we're just gonna pretty much just hoof it back to camp. See what happens. Hopefully we hear a single call on the way home and we can shoot down and knock one over. Here's a little field tip for you. When you're trying to fill your water bottle up in like a little creek, just put something in the river and then a rock on it to like extend the water out, so you can get your bottle under there. If I take that out, now you can't fill your water bottle up. Put something in the flow of the water and put a rock on it. Then you've got like a little funnel to fill your water bottle up. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Oh my god. Please. Sit, Maya. Oh my god. I can't believe that just happened. Just nailed a stag. It's literally there. There's Maya. The deer's right there. I didn't even think to record. We're just coming on our way back, and instead of going up and then down the saddle home, I like went down where we shot that hind on the first day, and then instead of carrying on up, I just sidled down into a creek because I wanted some water, and then we sidled back up to this saddle, and as soon as we got up here, Maya just starts winding hard as down here, and I just thought because Josh and Rezzy literally went straight in there to hunt that stag this morning, I just thought she was winding them, and then so I just like let her do it for a while. I just let out one good roar and waited for like 2 minutes, and then as we kept on walking, Maya was just winding, and so I stopped, and I was just standing there listening while she's winding, and I just heard a couple of sticks break, and then a stag just comes trotting like so quick, just comes trotting right into exactly where I was when I roared, and I just smoked it. Oh, I'm so stoked. Oh man, that was like, oh, I just can't believe that happened, eh? Like, I'd fully given up for the day. Just walking back to camp, Maya just like was like, there's a deer here. Oh, she has just been on fire today, man. Like, she was so keen just then. Like, she knew that was there, and I just ripped a roar, and it literally come flying in like. Oh, that was so cool. Let's go up to it anyway. Good girl. Good girl, Maya. Good girl, Maya. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh man. Oh, I'm so stoked. Oh, that's so cool. Little 8-pointer. Chat pup. Hey, that's pretty wicked. Oh my god, pup. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Maya. Good girl. Good girl. I'm so proud of you. You've been on fire today. I am absolutely stoked. Nice little 8-pointer. There's only a little scrubby 8-pointer, but oh my god, that was just like, these Sika are just out of it creatures, man. Like, he literally came flying in. He was like running. Like, ah man, and it just goes to show, just always trust the dog, eh? Like, I can hear one. Ah, it's such a shame we've got to go home tomorrow because it's just starting to go good. Like, we heard way more roaring today than any other day, even though it was still not much. But anyways, oh man, Maya was just all over that deer, man. Like, we just came over that hill and she just, if if I had just followed her, we would have gone straight to it, man. Like, she would have absolutely nailed it. Like, literally, we came across and she like almost like ran, like, you know, she got her nose up and she just starts trotting off, and I like made her sit, and I just gave a roar because she had done that, and then I waited for like 3 minutes, and then I called her back, made her go down, like told her to go down the ridge, and she just like went down and then came, like tried to go down again, and I called her back, and then like just with quiet little whistles, and then she just, the third time she did it, I just made her sit, and I was just standing there by this tree listening, and I just heard like crack crack, and then I just heard like a few more sticks, and I just looked up and saw Brown coming through the trees, like loaded the gun, crouched down, and he just comes trotting into view, like flying, like he was running. And he was like running straight to where I had just roared from. Like, that was so cool. Oh, I really hope the GoPro got it. I just was like, oh my god, bang, record, and then shot basically, because it was like, I was so surprised. Oh, stoked. What an awesome end to the trip. Like, yeah, Maia's just been pumping today. Like, yeah, that was so cool. And yeah, not far from camp. Oh man, that's so good. What a great trip we've had. Man, it's just been so good. Anyway, better deal to him and get back to camp. Yeah, Maya, come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Well, we've sorted out our stag, and we've caught up with Josh and Rezi on the way. So we're all going back to camp as a team. Pretty successful team. Josh and Rezi shot was it a 4-pointer that you got, Josh?
Yeah, a little
4-pointer, kind of similar to the one that I shot on the first day. But they also snuck in on a big dog, but just couldn't make it happen at the last minute, so bummer, but pretty good to like quite an achievement to sneak up on a mature stag in the bush anyway. So, you know, shooting them's the easy part really. But anyway, yeah, back to camp for a bloody big feed. Catch you guys at the top. Well, we've made it back to camp. Everyone's pretty buggered. It's been a pretty massive day for both teams, so we're just gonna probably light the fire and have a bit of a relaxing evening, and then yeah, get out of here tomorrow. Yeah, see you in the morning.
Bush tucker.
Thank you, Maya. People pay heaps of money for this kind of experience, eh? Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Pretty good. Dorkies! Morning team. Bit of a misty, drizzly sort of a day for the last morning of the trip. So yeah, this is about us for this one. We're just gonna head back to the truck before it really starts raining. But yeah, it's been an awesome trip. Pretty quiet on the roaring. Josh had a few going yesterday, but apart from that we haven't really heard much. Yeah, so I think I think the dogs have been a huge asset to the team this trip. I think that's why we had so much success, because obviously there wasn't much roaring, so we sort of relied on the dogs quite a lot. But me and Josh shot a deer every day that we hunted, so that's pretty good going. Yeah, so I've learnt a lot about filming in the bush as well, because this is the first time I've filmed like a proper bush hunting video. So yeah, I think I'll work on getting some better suited gear, and yeah, hopefully the videos will just get better as I get better gear and learn how to do it. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. How many deers you got in there, mate?
3. Good to go.
Yeah, it's too bloody heavy looking.
Whew.
How much meat you got in your pack, Rezzy?
Got a couple of back steaks and eye fillets.
Nice.
I think I should have put a bit more in.
You got, Maia's got a back steak in either side of her pack too. The haul out team.
Pussy pole.
Yeah, go get your pussy poles, eh? I think because yeah, we've both yeah, I don't know what I'm saying again. Misty, windy kind of day. That doesn't make sense. Morning team. Fuck's sake. Back near the ute, so I don't know what I'm saying. Just to the ute, so because we might do, fuck, I don't know what I'm saying. Catch you on the next one.